Hello, shiny, happy people. Sylvia here, and welcome all to my Music Prompts Empire Music Prompts Empire review. This is the newest launch by Alessandro Zamboni from Bella Italia, one of my favorite vendors, I must say. Now, this product is going live today on the 15th of May at 10 a.m. New York time, and as soon as it goes live, you will be able to pick it up via the link below my review in the description box if you wish so. And if you do so, you will also get some cool bonuses, plus my thorough review is the biggest bonus, I shall think. All right. Okay, yeah, I will leave no stone unturned. Now, Alessandro says on his sales page, discover 1,000 prompts to create music with a secret AI tool that creates amazing songs for you. Now, if you were just to go through the sales page, would you know what the secret platform is? I don't know, because it is secret, but since I got the review access, I've checked everything out. Here I have it, guys. I watched this tutorial video by Alessandro Zamboni. It's about 15, yeah, not 50, 15 minutes tutorial, not too lengthy, to the point. At the same time, Alessandro shows you how to create music tracks, okay, because this is what it's all about. You're getting 1,000 prompts to create music in all types of music, in pop, rock, hip hop, you name it. And then Alessandro also shows you in this tutorial, which platforms to go to. I will reveal the platforms. So I have followed the training actually, because I was quite impressed by it. I created my accounts, free accounts on those platforms. So I'm going to show you how to create the music, taking the prompt, putting into this AI music creating tool. Okay, and you can do it for free. You can also sign up. We'll go through the plans and stuff like that. And then what's also amazing is that Alessandro shows you which platform to go to in order to get your efforts monetized. So guys, let's go. All right. Now, again, as I said, I put the sales page below my review. Go check it out. Okay. Now listen to the soundtracks you'll be able to create using these secret platforms. Here Alessandro shows you ways of making money with AI music, right? So because he reveals this, again, another secret platform, you will be able to distribute your music. This platform will be like a sort of like a middleman, like an, let's say, agency, but I think of it like a middleman that helps you distribute your music to different stores like iTunes, Amazon Music, Spotify, Google Play, and so on and so forth. Okay, and every time people listen to your tracks, to your music tracks, you get paid. All right. So, and there are obviously other ways to monetize as well. And because, guys, it is AI created music, it's free to use. You can download it. There's no copyrights. You can even you can distribute it. You can sell them commercially, okay, for commercial purposes as well. Right. Okay. So let's get to it. Now, here what the product will look like. So you will have the training video, as I already said, for 15 minutes. Now here you click and then you're taken to these 1,000 Suno prompts. You see, Suno, or I already am telling you what platform to go to create those music tracks, but there will be another one you can use that Alessandro mentions in the training video, and I'm going to show you that platform too. And then you also get access to 100 additional bonus prompts. Here you can join free Zamboni inner circle on Facebook as well. So the prompts will look like that. Here are the 1,000 prompts, and here are the bonus prompts. Okay. Now the first thing you will need to do, you will need to make a copy of this and store it on your Google Drive if you want to sort of like copy and paste. So take the prompt from here and paste it and paste it into that AI music creator, right? So here Alessandro says what you need to do is copy and paste the prompt into Suno.com or udio.com. So these are the AI making platforms we will be working with here. And then distrokit.com is where you can easily distribute your music through this platform and earn commissions, because this platform is very cheap to join. I'll cover everything, I'll show you. Right, that's why I said, like, this review is really like a bonus, because I could really make it into a bonus, like going through the platforms and talking about them, right? But no, I want to cover everything. And then, yeah, and they help you earn royalties. So every time someone, say from Spotify or iTunes, here and there from the music stores, listen to your tracks, you get paid. Right, okay, so that's how it works. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to Suno.com, copy and paste maybe perhaps one of the jazz one. Jazz, smooth and mellow woman about quiet evenings. Okay, sounds good. So let's create some music tracks. Now we go to Sumo. And guys, also, I'm gonna show you later the upsells you will have, just a few upsells, so I'll go through all of the prices at the end. Okay, so stay tuned for that. I have the info about the funnel right there. Okay, so, as I said, I'll leave no stone unturned. Okay, so here I sign up for free. This is my free account on Suno.com. Okay, this is the home page. As you can see, you've got this is where people share the favorite music tracks, and they have been made public, so you can listen to them from here, but you can create your own. Now, as a free account holder, you will get 50 credits a day. I have already used 10 credits. Basically, when you go and create a song, you place the prompt in here, and you can choose either between instrumental. I mean, if this is off, then it's going to be with the words sung either by a man or a woman, right? But if you toggle this on, it's going to be just instrumental, okay? No words. But let's make it with the words, okay? And click create. And that's how simple it is, really. So you put in the prompt that you take from your 1,100 prompt list, and it is creating, it is creating 2 music tracks. And once it's ready, I'll show you, I'll get back to it once it's ready. It's giving it a title. Like I took one of those prompts earlier, and it's already created it. Wow, it's that fast. And it created this track called Shining Love. Very, very nice. So you can like it, dislike it, you can copy the song link, and then you can also extend it, you can rename it, you can add it to playlist. Now make it public, and let me tell you this right off the bat, because apparently you can only use these tracks for commercial rights if you pay, and you can join for as little as $8 a month. If you were to pay yearly, okay, upfront for the whole year, that would work out $8 a month for this platform. And I'll go through the price plan so you will see what you get. And what was my point? And then you can use them for commercial rights. I mean, if you were to pay monthly, the cheapest one is $10. But what Alessandro was actually saying in the training, that if you make your songs public, then even with the free account, because this is AI created music, you will have the right to download them. You just go here and you can download them as audio or even video. It's gonna create some super cool videos as well. Okay, I'll show you, and then you can even put them on YouTube as YouTube shorts. And yeah, so as I said, sky's the limit as to how you can monetize these music tracks. But hold your horses, I'll show you this platform here. Okay, what was it? The DistroKit, where you can distribute your music to many music stores. Okay, so the music has been created. Let me just play it here for you, maybe this one. You see, this is the image AI created for this music track as well. Here you have the lyrics. Pretty cool. Okay, and yeah, I really like it. And then, as I said, from here, if you click on these three dots, you can move to trash, you can download as an audio or as a video. And I have already downloaded one, so I'm gonna show you. I have it here, so that's the MP4. It's a video. Let me play it for you now. Sunlight streaming through my window, feel the warmth. My heart starts to glow every moment. Cool stuff, huh? I like it. And that was so quick, unbelievable. Okay, this one has already been created too, so let's check this one out. Again, we've got the lyrics here, but you can choose it without the lyrics, just instrumental. Okay, so let me download it as well, maybe as a video, and voila. So let's listen to it. A melody softly plays, a woman's voice. Nice, it's jazz. Cool stuff. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have already used up 20 credits. So out of my 50 credits, I have 30 left with my free account, and they will renew tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna get another 50 credits with the free account, okay? So whenever you put in a prompt, it creates 2 music tracks. Alright, and each music track is normally 5 credits. But let's go through the plan, guys. So if you wanted to subscribe, as you can see, here they say that with the free basic plan, you get 50 credits, renew daily. So that's 10 songs you can create for free, okay, for free a day. No commercial terms. But, you know, apparently, as Alessandro was saying in the tutorial he made for this product, you're saying that as long as you make the music tracks public, you will be able to obviously download them and use them for commercial purposes as well. Okay, now if you're serious about it though and you want to really go wild, I would sign up, okay, for this one. $10 a month, okay, monthly billing, yearly billing. If you were to pay up front, it would work out, you know, cheaper obviously. So yeah, just Alessandro was saying that he pays $10 a month and he gets 2,500 credits renew monthly. So he is able to create 500 songs a month, and you know, general commercial terms are included. So that's pretty cool. And then you have $30 a month as well, or yearly 24 if you were to pay upfront for the whole year. That would come down to $24 a month. And then you have, you know, 2,000 songs a month you can create with this plan. Right, so that's that, guys. Now there's another platform that you can use for creation. You can create, you know, 2 accounts and use them both, okay? And this udio.com with .com is in the beta tester sort of mode. And apparently you can create unlimited number, like because they are testing this platform for now, you can create unlimited number of, for now. That's what Alessandro was saying with this platform. So use it while you can. And now the way you would monetize, so one of the ways would be the one that is covered in training, is go and create an account with distrokit.com, okay? And as you can see here, it's like a middleman, as I was saying. And they say it's the easiest way for musicians to get music into Spotify, Apple, Amazon, TikTok, YouTube, and more. All right? An unlimited number of uploads, and you keep 100% of the earnings and more features with this platform than any other music distributor. So pay only $18 to upload unlimited albums and songs for a year, so $18 a year, and you get and this way, because they are so good at distributing your music, you'll get in stores 10 or 20 times faster than any other distributor. So I guess it's pretty cool, okay? And here is the plans you will have. So you can go for as little as less than $2 a month, guys, or just over 2 with the most popular option. So check it out, guys. Create your free accounts and take it from there. It's a new product, very fresh. I was like pretty intrigued by it. And now let me show you what upsells you will have. So the front end will be $17, guys, and then we'll have OTO number 1, which is $27. It's a collection of 2,575 extra music prompts for creating even more songs. OTO number 2 is $47. This is a collection of 6,640 music prompts shared in 77 music genres. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly. Genre, I think. Well, I think therefore I am. Anyhow, OTO number 3 is $37, a collection of 2,269 music prompts for creating musical jingles for offline businesses and YouTubers. Interesting. But anyhow, I can see that the whole funnel is very congruent with the front end, and that is something I always love to see. Right. Okay, guys. So my bonuses for you here, check them out. Obviously, I thought I would give you some bonuses to do with AI, creating AI reels as well, and how to, a guide to creating side hustle using Fiverr. Undoubtedly, on freelancing platforms is a way to go with this product as well, where you can, sell gigs, you can sell music tracks for sure as well. Okay, now link below my review, and yeah, check it out. If that's for you, go grab it. It's going live anytime soon. I just wonder when I'm gonna manage to upload it to YouTube, hopefully soon. Right, guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye.